In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily add design on dress in Photoshop. We'll be using Adobe Photoshop on the web to place a design onto a dress image and make it look more natural on the fabric. This is a simple technique once you understand how the layers interact. And the good news is that you do not need a complicated workflow to get a clean result. Just follow along carefully and take your time with each part. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to the Adobe Photoshop website. Once the page loads, make sure you are on the official Adobe site before moving forward. Then click the Sign In button, which is usually in the top right corner. If you use more than one Adobe account, choose the one you normally use for Photoshop. Sign in and complete any verification steps if they appear. After your account finishes loading and you are inside the workspace, click the plus icon for New. Choose Upload File, then select Upload from Computer. Find the dress image you want to edit and bring it into Photoshop. With your image open, go to the toolbar and choose Quick Selection. If needed, click it again so the tool is active. Then drag over the part of the dress where you want the design to go. Be patient during this step because the more accurate your selection is, the better and more realistic the final design placement will look. Next, click on the layer and press Ctrl J to duplicate the main image. After that, go to Adjust and choose Gaussian Blur. Increase or decrease the blur until the selected dress area looks softly blended. You do not want it to become overly blurry. The idea is just to soften it enough so the design feels like it belongs to the fabric instead of sitting harshly on top. Once that looks good, press Ctrl J again to duplicate layer 1. Then right-click layer 1 and delete it, leaving the copied version in place. After that, click on layer 1 copy so it remains the active layer for the next step. Now bring in your design by clicking Add Image, then upload an image. Select the design file you want to place on the dress. When it appears on the canvas, resize it and move it into position so it fits nicely within the selected dress area. Try to match the shape and placement of the clothing as closely as possible for a cleaner result. In the Layers panel, right-click the design layer and choose Create Clipping Mask. This is what makes the design follow the boundaries of the layer beneath it rather than covering the entire image. Finally, click Blend and adjust the color and overall appearance of the design. Small blend changes can make a big difference, so fine-tune until the design feels naturally integrated with the dress. And that's it. You've successfully added a design to a dress in Photoshop in a polished and customizable way.